Hey, what's going on, guys? So I got everything all set, resanded everything, or sanded what I needed to sand, reprimed, colored, and then cleared it. Doesn't look too bad. I got a little bit, one of the good things that came out of doing this the second time, I was able to get used to the gun. By with the color and the clear. So it came out a little bit better than when I did it the first time. My only concern, see, I really can't tell whether or not it does kind of look darker down here than it does up here. You can kind of see it, but I don't know whether or not that's just coming off the floor. But I mean, it looks okay. I may not end up seeing it until I put it outside. But I got 3 coats of clear on it. The cowl of here, this came out really good. It came out a lot better. I'm actually happy that I redid that, because it came out a lot better than what it did the first time. Got one. See, it doesn't really look too bad. The only thing, I got one run there, and it's not too bad, it's not too high, and I know the reason why I ended up getting it. I was an idiot, and when I was spraying the color, I ended up messing up the settings on my gun, and I ended up getting a run in the paint right around here. So I ended up having to clean that up. I also did it on that fender there, so I ended up cleaning them both up, resprayed. This one was giving me more of a pain in the ass than that one was, because when I resprayed the color, it started to run again. So I got that all set. I think everything looks really well, but I'll end up color sanding this or wet sanding this either tomorrow. I'll probably start tomorrow. It's supposed to rain tomorrow, so I'll be able to color sand this tomorrow, get this going. I think the doors came out really well. Got a little bit of a sag there. I don't know whether or not that's actually from the paint or if that's from the clear. I mean, I can't really feel it too well, but as long as everything goes okay, and I think it will, I'll end up taping the edges this time while I'm color sanding. So yeah, my only concern is maybe that top half, you can kind of see it, is a little bit lighter than the bottom. But yeah, I'm not really too worried. I mean, I'm happy. I like it. Everything came out a lot better. Got very minimal orange peel on the doors, so those aren't going to take me that long to wet sand and buff out. Yeah, I got a few bugs and things like that in it, but that's to be expected. But I think they came out really well. Alright guys, take it easy. Peace.